Hi friends, welcome to Craft Corner with Paisley. Today we are going to be making bird feeders. All the seeds are falling out and I am going to give you a warning, and we got these at a cool park. But the warning is these are super pokey, so you might want to ask your mom and dad to pick it, like all the sharp pieces off, because they're super pokey and my mom got hurt a lot. First, we're going to tie the ribbon on our pine cones. So you might want to put it a little under the pieces for you actually can for it can stay on. I might go it up a little bit. Like this. And then if you don't know how to tie, it's okay. You can just ask your mom and dad, but I'll tie that myself. And it's a little hard with pine cones, but I know you can do it. Next step, we're gonna put the peanut butter on the pine cone for the seeds can stick. You will want to do this over a plate because it's very messy. So I'm going to, you can mom and dad help a little bit, but after you're done smearing all the peanut butter on your pine cone, now we're going to smear the seeds on. Take a little handful. When you're done putting on the seeds, you even can smear the seeds on your plate. So I'm just going to pick it over and just smear it like that. There you have it, your pinecone bird feeder, and now you can go and hang it on a perfect tree for birds can eat it and eat their nice new treat. Bye!
I die.